Yeah, hello, and welcome to another update video about oil. It is really good to see that current expectation to play out further. Yesterday in my update, I mentioned that this wave A rally is probably not finished, that we're going to push higher, that I saw a key test at the 83.60 level. That is the level that we've nearly reached now. Yeah, we have moved up today to 83.10, so not quite there yet. But this is a key resistance. Yeah, from here we had resistance here on the 27th of September. And here we had, no, sorry, that was support. And we had support here around the 28th of November. Now we're pushing at it from the lower end, yeah, as resistance. And we need to get an answer here. Do we push through straight away? But it wouldn't change the wave count anyway. The only idea that I have here, how this could, well, not the only idea, but this could obviously play out. Either we push a bit higher in A, then come down in B, and then move up in C, or we just find resistance here, and that would be the obvious one. I mean, on the 4-hour chart, we're now overbought again. Yeah. Bear in mind, we were down here oversold. We reached my larger support area. It was an obvious area for a turnaround, and we are turning around. But I don't think we are turning around and change the higher level trend. What we're doing currently is putting a recovery in place here, sort of relief rally after we finally hit the target that we've been waiting for since I've started to cover oil, which I think it was early in the year, in March or something, or February. So we did reach target. We're turning around now. We've nearly reached the resistance level I spoke about in yesterday's video. And my understanding and my interpretation of the chart is at the moment that we are moving down here in an ABC pattern, yeah. But that 1 second, just need to think. Where are we? Yeah, that we are within this wave C. I need to extend that down. By the way, that's still from the last video, so I see that as continuation further down in an ideal scenario. So that we've only put the wave 1 in off the wave C. Obviously wave C is a 5-wave move. Here the wave 1. That this now is a wave 2. A, B, C. Yeah, so that means we're currently putting that A wave in. We should come down in B, maybe retest support again. Local double bottom. Then push higher in C against resistance of the channel. And then come down in the third wave. That would be quite a major sell-off. Then there should be a wave 4 and a 5, and it really could take us into the lower half of this overall support area if it continues like that. So yes, short-term upside continuation definitely expected. However, very short-term, a B wave retracement to the downside could occur, would be my expectation from somewhere here, because we're also overbought now on the 4-hour chart, and from down here then another C wave rally. And it would really only be if we push above the trend channel that I would consider something more bullish. Until then, we have to expect a lower, yeah, because we haven't significantly and substantially changed the trend. And you carry on with the trend until it's changed. And also, I mean, we reached support, yeah, and that's very important to understand. We reached that larger support area, which is fulfilling the minimum expectations of this very, very long correction, yeah. It fulfills the minimum expectations. We don't need to go any lower. The chart is done. It doesn't need to, but that doesn't mean it has to turn around now. Yeah, especially if you have such a large target area, which actually goes down to $42. It is quite likely to go down a bit deeper. And also, if I look at the chart here within this Y wave, we've got an ABC, and the C wave would be quite short, so that would also confirm further downside potential. And yeah, that's my primary expectation, and it just works better from the proportions of the chart and the wave counts. And why would I assume an uptrend has started if we're still in a descending channel? It doesn't make sense. It could have started, and that's the first time I tell you that in months, really. Yeah, I've never told you that the downtrend could be finished for oil. I've always said we come down lower, but it's a bit like Bitcoin. As soon as we hit sort of the 20K region, it was the first time since November that we talked about the low could be in, and it's here now as well. And this is now where the tough time is starting, because whenever you get into these trend reversal areas, this is tough, because here we need to be very, very focused on, is the trend changing now or not? And at the moment I have no evidence. At the moment it's all going according to plan. But if we break above the channel, then we are already going up earlier than expected. But it would still have confirmed my higher level scenario because we've hit the larger support, the long-term support. But yeah, short term, I would still expect further continuation. And I just see this currently as an ABC correction to the upside. If anything changes and if we see anything more bullish, then of course, I will let you know. But the idea is A up, B down, C up. And I can't really give you a target for C yet. What is certain is that if we see not only ABC, but a 5-wave move up, then this is the first indication, obviously, with the breakout of the channel, that the trend has shifted and changed back into an uptrend. Okay, I think that's it. I hope you liked the update about oil. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.